if anybody had this problem where your refrigerator, LG, the freezer door gets stuck like that, it's really simple. I want to make a whole damn like 5-hour freaking video. I'm gonna get like to the point. Most of the time it's gonna be on the left side, and it's right here. This little piece right here. It's stuck. All you gotta do on the rail is pull the rail out like that, and that's it. That's where it got stuck right here on this piece right here. It freaking opens. Real simple. Quick fix.